Welcome to Sen Tech Debug. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install Nutanix Community Edition in a home lab and access the cluster through Prism. Here the system is booting from the USB storage. I'm selecting the Nutanix Community Edition installer to begin the installation. Here you can see the AHV disk details, including the roles and sizes, the network settings, the host IP, CVM IP, subnet and gateway. I have entered it. I have also selected the single node cluster and added DNS servers to complete the configuration. Now we were at the license agreement page. Make sure to scroll all the way to the bottom of the Nutanix terms and conditions, then accept to continue to the next step. The installation has completed. To validate that it was successful, I'm logging into AHV using the default account. The login is successful and I am now in the AHV root shell. Now I'm logging into controller VM using the default account credentials to validate the cluster status. This view shows the network interface list for the system, and here we can see the cluster status screen. On the screen I'm viewing the host list and showing the network details for both AHV and CVM. The backplane network used for AHV CVM communication is created automatically during the installation. I also renamed the cluster. By default, it created with a generic cluster name during the installation, but I have customized here. Once I renamed the cluster details, I tried to access the Prism web console using both IP address and hostname to ensure it accessible through hostname. After login with the default admin user ID and password, Prism prompts for Nutanix Next credentials. Since I had not configured name servers yet, registration fails at this point, so next I will show how to add the DNS servers. In my custom Nutanix setup, DNS is set to 192.168.1.2 with internet routed through my Wi-Fi gateway. I also added Google name server as a backup to ensure a reliable solution for external domains, helping CVM register with Nutanix Central via Prism. Now I try logging in again to proceed with the registration. Next, I registered the Prism console and cluster successfully. After that, I log in again and view the cluster details in Prism. That concludes our Nutanix CE installation on bare metal. We have successfully completed the setup and registered Prism. In the next video, I will walk you through uploading the Windows Server 2022 ISO and the Nutanix IO drivers so we can start creating VMs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it.